How to convert JSON data into a Python object. I want to convert JSON data into a Python object. I receive JSON data objects from the Facebook API, which I want to store in my database. My current view in Django, Python, request.post contains the JSON. This works fine, but how do I handle complex JSON data objects? Wouldn't it be much better if I could somehow convert this JSON object into a Python object for easy use?
You could try this. Just create a new object, and pass the parameters as a map. You can have a JSON with objects too.
Update. With Python 3, you can do it in one line, using simple namespace and object_hook. Old answer, Python 2. In Python 2, you can do it in one line, using named tuple and object_hook, but it's very slow with many nested objects. Or, to reuse this easily, if you wanted to handle keys that aren't good attribute names, check out named tuple's rename parameter.
Check out the section titled Specializing JSON Object Decoding in the JSON module documentation. You can use that to decode a JSON object into a specific Python type. Here's an example. Update. If you want to access data in a dictionary via the JSON module, do this. Just like a regular dictionary.
This is not code golf, but here is my shortest trick, using types.simple namespace as the container for JSON objects. Compared to the leading named tuple solution, it is probably faster/smaller as it does not create a class for each object, shorter, no rename option, and probably the same limitation on keys that are not valid identifiers, uses setAtter under the covers. Example.
If you want to kill the